Corkboard Bulletin Board 48x36-inch, 100% wood frame Brazil imported, environmental natural cork surface, mounting hardware, push pins included. Cork Bulletin Board 100% wooden frame Brazil imported edges without plastic makes the corkboard lightweight but tough and strong, so the Bulletin Board 48x36 is easy to install and carry, and it smells like wood natural fragrance, totally no chemicals in the wood frame. Fully handcraft and more detailed processing make it more decent, fancy, durable, increase the service life. Health Cork Bulletin Board environmental friendly natural cork surface is made of premium cork grain. This large bulletin board is not only healthy and provides a self-healing surface that hides pinholes after use. Multifunction Use the pin board as a stylish decoration on the door of restaurant or store, or hang it as a photo frame or a decoration on the wall at home. It is also fashionable to go with other scenes. Wood frame make it looks like a painting and looks fancy. The notice board is perfect for displaying memories and reminders. The Corkboard 48x36 is suitable for most people. Package included including cork bulletin board push pins and all mount accessories. Lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues with this large bulletin board, contact us at any time for replacement. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.